In this video, you'll learn how to reset your password on eBay. This process will help you regain access to your account if you've forgotten your password or need to change it for security reasons. Start by navigating to the eBay website. Once the homepage loads, locate the Sign In button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Sign In to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see an option labeled Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. After clicking, you will be prompted to enter your registered email address or username associated with your eBay account. After entering your email or username, submit the information to eBay. The system will then send a verification link or code to your registered email or phone number. Check your email inbox or SMS for this code, as you will need it to verify your identity. Once you receive the verification link or code, follow the instructions provided in the email or SMS. If you received a code, enter it in the designated field on the eBay page to continue. Completing this step confirms your identity and allows you to proceed with resetting your password. Now, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong and unique password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Once you've completed this, save your changes to finalize the password reset. With your password successfully reset, you can now return to the eBay login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created to log into your account. Make sure to store your password securely to avoid future issues.